Hello, my name is Arnie and I'm account manager at Cubro. Just wanted to quickly run through a couple of the features with our sofa bed. So firstly, it comes in the 900 or a metre seat width. So really good seat option for either patients or visitors, sometimes even a parent and their child. So nice seat width there. It does have the good casters, braking casters, so you can move the chair from room to room very easily. The other important feature is specially designed for hospital environments. It is very compact design, so thin armrests here to really utilise the space on the ward. And then when it comes to visitors staying overnight, it's a great two-in-one solution. So we can simply pull out the swab, place that behind the chair, and we have a pull-out bed that very easily unfolds. Underneath, you'll notice this is actually a spring-loaded base, so it is very comfortable, a lot more comfortable than some of the slat beds there are. In addition, you've got a nice, good thickness mattress and a polyurethane cover, so this is easy to wipe down and clean. Same with the vinyl here on the chair, and you get a 10-year warranty with our sofa bed. Thank you.